But I bet you somebody gets a hold of it.
Good, he go. No. Baby. He got hiccups.
He knows Josh ain't nowhere around here.
Baby.